Hi, my name is Shilpa Thakur. I am with GCPL for over 2 years now, handling the modern trade territory as an ASM in North. So I think my experience so far in sales have been challenging as well as very rewarding. So being in modern trade, especially in India, with its diverse market, the opportunities to grow are immense. And I think that I've been able to hone my skills in negotiations, strategy, as well as relationship building. But one of the things which I like the most about my role is the direct impact in revenue generation for the organization that it brings. I have met women from different, at different designations and who have shared similar experiences as mine. Because somehow you yourself have that doubt that maybe I'm unprivileged because my family and my organization is giving me this opportunity. So you somehow feel that you are indebted to them and whatever, and you cannot say no. So you feel that somewhere you are not able to set those boundaries between your work and your personal life as well. So because as you grow in life, you have your own family and you get married and everything, so you have additional responsibilities as well. So in both fronts, you are managing, and it's very difficult to have that perfect trade-off. Being a woman in this industry, the nature of work is such that it demands long working hours and frequent travels, frequent intercity travel. So you're not always able to find a balance between your work and your personal life. So one such instances which recently happened with me is that during last quarter ending, I got a call from my family that my mother has been diagnosed with a 100% blockage in one of her limbs and she has to undergo a peripheral angioplasty in emergency. And I think that hit as a wave of shock to me because you always expect your parents or your family to take care of their own selves while you're hustling and building your courage. So when I told this to my manager and my HR, so they reminded me of this elderly caregiving policy that we have in GCPL, where you can take 2 weeks off and it won't require any prior notice or any approvals from anybody. And I think that really helped me, that enabled me that I could leave the responsibility of my role with my team, who are also stepped up. And because I have that relationship with them, that they could hold the fort for that time. And my manager was also very supportive, such that I can give my full attention to my mother when she needed me the most. And I think this is a very good, very enabling policy because it's very important as women that while we are building our careers, we are always there for our parents and rather our parents-in-law as well when they need us.